Hey everyone, Ramel here, and today I'm going to be doing a quick video on how to add additional drives to your Synology DS918 Plus. I know you're probably expecting the iPhone XS review slash Pixel 2 comparison, but I unfortunately didn't have enough time to finish filming and editing that video, but hopefully I'll be done that next week. So just stay tuned for that. Also be sure to make it to the end of this video to get details on the giveaway. But for now, let's get to adding additional drives to the Synology DS918 Plus. So I sold my DS212J a few weeks ago, and I've just had these drives laying around. I was originally planning on not using them, but since one of them is a red drive, I might as well. I wanted to slowly upgrade and get 8 terabytes, so I didn't have to worry about upgrading. But I figured that it might be a good opportunity to see how easy it is. It's going to be in the future to upgrade. Anyways, let's get to the upgrade. The first thing that you're going to want to do is pop out the 2 bays and install the drives in them. If you've seen my previous video, it was pretty easy to install the initial 8 terabyte drives, and these drives are just as easy. You pop open the clips, pop the drive in, and then put the clips back on, and then you just pop them back into the Synology. I haven't formatted any of these drives, so I'm not exactly sure what's going to happen once we're in the DSM, but let's find out. So we won't actually be able to use these drives to expand the current storage pool, but I'll show you that it was detected and where you can see the drives, and if you wanted to create a new storage pool, you'll be able to do so in Storage Manager. But like always, the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to log into DSM. Mine is automatically logged in with Dashlane. I'll probably do a video on that soon. I highly recommend it if you're not using a password manager. But for me, I was kind of hoping to see a notification that you added new drives, but you don't get any sort of notification that you did. But I go into Storage Manager to verify that they were added, but I don't see them in the storage pool because they're not automatically added, but they will show up when you click the HDD/SS, and there they are. They're disk 3 and disk 4, and those are the 2 3 terabytes that I have installed. And like it's showing on DSM, they're not initialized. I assumed that I had to erase them first, but that's not the case. You just can't use them to increase the storage pool. But you can create a new storage pool if you wanted with these 2 disks, but you won't be able to expand the current one. But I'm going to go ahead and erase them anyways because I was none the wiser. Anyways, after doing a little bit more research, it looks like I won't be able to use the 3 terabyte drives to increase the current storage pool that I have, but I'll be able to I'll be able to create a new storage pool. I'm honestly not sure what I'm going to do with the extra storage pool. I was always intending to just have 1 storage pool. I mean, I guess it's the same. I just separate the data or whatever I store in each one. But for now, I'm not going to do anything, but if I do figure something out, I'll probably make another video on that. I might just have a dedicated pool for backups for laptops, stuff like that. But in the meantime, I'm probably just going to list these on Craigslist to see if anyone's interested, and maybe hopefully use those funds towards another 8 terabyte Ironwolf. But yeah, that is my hard lesson of the day. You can only increase or match the drives inside the RAID, but you can't add smaller drives. And it says that on the Synology website, and I don't know why I didn't see that beforehand. I just assumed that it would work since just pop the drives in and be on your merry way, but that's not the case. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video this week. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I know it's not the iPhone XS video. That's gonna be coming next week. For the giveaway, make sure you're subscribed and leave a comment in the next couple of videos. And I'm gonna be giving away this Google Home Mini. If you don't already have one, it's a really good device. I'll probably do a review on this as well and how we use it in our home. We have 2 currently. We have the Google Home as well as the mini in the bedroom, which mostly just plays music for our daughter. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. I'm still gonna check the legalities of things, but for now I'm just gonna say Canada and US for this giveaway. But yeah, if anything changes, I'll update it in my later videos. Anyways, I'm out. Peace.